Hi, I'm from Cloud Analogy. Today I'm going to demo a project on Salesforce integration with Android that we did for one of our client. So basically in this application, we need to put username and password details. For that, we have accessed the Salesforce object in order to acquire username and password details. So basically, the client requirement was to create an Android page which was meant to be integrated with Salesforce. So once the user click on the login button, his credentials are matched from the Salesforce end. It was a very interesting task to do. But in the development phase, we have faced some issues as well. Like for the first time when the user is logging to the application, it asks for some client credentials and which client definitely do not wanted to share with all users of the application. So we have to provide hardcode URL for providing direct access to the app. So it was a very tough task to make a hardcode URL because we have to make a lot of changes for that. But we managed to do it successfully. So I'll show you how earlier it was working and what changes we have done to make updated version of it. So this is the code we have written. And here I have worked on making changes to the URL. So this is the hardcode URL we have made so that users are provided the flexibility to directly access the application. So this is my updated app and which is not asking for any credential as it is providing me the credential and password directly from the Salesforce object where I have stored my credentials, and this is my org. And let me open the object I have created, and these are the credentials. I have stored them in this object, and these credentials are directly accessed when I log into the app so that I do not have to every time put them in order to log in to my application. Now as you can see, I have logged into the application and it says welcome Lokendra Singh, which is a test client. Test record, which is actually a record in Salesforce we are using just for testing purpose. So now you can see two buttons over there like attendance in and attendance out. All the features which client wanted us to do include in the application that we have developed for him. So that was all in this video. I hope you like it. Thank you.